Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video we're going to learn how to achieve such a design that every edge, every corner and every single dimension within this vice body corresponds to the height, width and length. So at the end of this training you will be able to go back and change just the length, the width and height and every single dimension within this design will be able to change according to the given formulas that we are going to create using the equation commands. Okay, initially we have this datasheet here, this drawing for the vice body. This is the base of our design. Then we have the sliding jaw, the fixed jaw, the handle and the upper jaw. Let's start it.